Hey guys, this is Greg with pinballpro.com, and today I'm here to show you the revised instructions for installing a Pinball Pro subwoofer into one of Stern's new cabinets. If you take a look, the brand new cabinet has a hardwood bottom like this, and you can see how it's changed, and it's actually thicker. So these studs now are basically shorter because of the way they fit into this cabinet. So like the shaker motor, they've had to extend the screws. Now we have to revise the Pinball Pro installation because of the length of the studs. So what you're going to need to install the subwoofer is a nut driver. I like these multi screwdrivers because they have two different sizes of nut drivers on them. And basically just go ahead and uninstall that subwoofer. Once removed, what you're going to need to do is remove the studs, and they're just press fit. In fact, they look just like this, so they're just press fit in there, kind of like a nail. So you're not going to do any damage to your cabinet. You won't have to drill any holes because the holes are already there. So just a light tap and they'll pop right out. So you just reach underneath. Pull them right out. And you can certainly save them, put them in just put them in your coin box, and you can put them right back in if you decide you want to reverse the kit. So now the installation is very easy. You just need 1-inch screws that will go right into the existing holes. So make sure that you keep your grill aligned and that you keep the ground strap in place. For this, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and align your holes. So again, we're using the holes that are already there. So it causes no damage to your cabinet, and it can be easily reversed. So that's the new updated installation procedures for the Pinball Pro subwoofer in the brand new Stern cabinets.